So I've owned the Samsung Odyssey monitor for quite a bit now, and I have really enjoyed this. This monitor is specifically the Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor, and I've connected it up to the PlayStation 5, switched to other consoles, and I've always had such a great experience with this monitor. It's highly reliable, and as you can see, there is a bit of glare right there. But that is the only problem with this monitor. So normally I'll just, close some windows and I won't have that issue with glare. But it is the type of monitor that it is. So you got IPS, VA types of monitors. So this one does have a bit of glare. Just to let you guys know before you purchase this one. So this one is the G5. I've also had the G7 as well on this channel. I have played it, reviewed it. Overall, once again saying that I'm super happy. In terms of the differences between this and a G7, I would say that there's not too much difference in terms of the overall performance. I would say the G7 does have a few extra specs that do make it worthwhile, but overall this is great. In terms of the size, this one is the 27 and it's a perfect size for me for this desk. I just think it's been really nicely done in terms of the size, so it's not too expensive. It's a great size, and it does feature 1440p. In terms of total resolution, I think it doesn't do 4K, so that's what the G7 does, and it could do so much better. But looking into the settings, we get so many options like we do with the G3, the G7. We don't miss out on anything. Even the G9 has these options. So we turn the FreeSync on, and it gives us that option of FreeSync, and we get all the different picture profiles. So this is Eco. Normally I turn it on game standard. As you can see, the picture really changes quite nicely, and you've got all of these other options as well in color modes, and you can even go custom. Tend to change it to game standard, and it looks quite good. Brightness, all that sort of stuff, and even HDR, so you can actually have HDR with this monitor, which is quite good. And one thing that I've noticed that is an issue is VRR, so variable refresh rate. For some weird reason, it'll work on this monitor and say it's turned on, but it won't be turned on with the PlayStation 5. So that's just been something that I've noticed that I don't know how to fix. In terms of overall weight and size, it's pretty comfy in terms of weight. So I can pretty much pick it up with one hand pretty easily, so that's pretty good. There is one main issue as well. It's the HDMI port. So as I'm picking it up with one hand, right at the back, it's just in that awkward spot where it's really hard to get that HDMI cable in, and that's the only gripe with this monitor, is that HDMI. And there's zero backlight from what I've seen so far. With the G7, there's this matte backlight and stuff, and it connects to and syncs to your games. So something like this, where it'd be like a 4K port switch, where you can connect multiple HDMIs into this and just have the one HDMI into the monitor, that just saves a lot of time, and it's a bit awkward, putting the HDMI cable in. I don't know if everyone else has had that issue with it, but I've definitely had that issue where it's a bit awkward and I have to pick it up and try and fit it in, and it's just an awkward experience with the HDMI port. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the monitor. It's very high quality. Now it is curved, it's not straight, so if you want a straight monitor, that would be different, but a lot of people don't mind the curved because curvature. I think for the size, maybe just having a flat monitor would actually be okay for 27-inch. Overall, once again, it's not the most expensive monitor in the world, and it's still a very good monitor to definitely get into, and I would say it's probably one of the best upgrades I've had this year actually as well. So it's a high quality monitor, it's very good to use, very happy with the product, and I would highly recommend it. There's just those few mini gripes with it, but overall should be all good. So thanks for watching, guys. Like to subscribe to see more, and I'll see you on the next one.